Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for EIN number Texas. Start online at the IRS website or call the IRS if you prefer phone help. Prepare your legal business name and taxpayer identification for the responsible party. Choose the type of entity and keep a record of your EIN confirmation. Save the confirmation letter and share it with banks, payroll services, and filing systems for your business setup and compliance. You can apply online through the IRS EIN Assistant for a fast confirmation, or complete Form SS-4 to fax or mail if you need paper records. International applicants can call the IRS to apply by phone. Ensure the responsible party information matches IRS records and that your mailing address is accurate. Include a copy of your formation documents if requested. Retain copies of all submissions for your records and compliance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more useful guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack neatly, seal tightly, and save time on lunch assembly, perfect for busy founders and home offices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set to simplify your week. Now let's get back to the video. In Texas, your federal EIN is used for state registrations like franchise tax and employer payroll accounts, so apply federally first. When hiring employees, set up unemployment and withholding accounts with the Texas Workforce Commission and Comptroller. If you form an LLC or corporation, ensure your formation documents match the EIN application exactly. Check for required local permits and keep EIN records accessible for banks, licenses, and payroll setup throughout your business lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.